Had my eye on this cedar tree for a little while. It's growing into the side of this. I think it's an oak. I can't even tell. I'm gonna cut this off and try to get a post for my bell. So this will be pretty cool. Well, as it turns out, these trees are kind of locked together because I'm almost all the way cut through, and my saw is pinched. You can see here, man, there's nothing left here. I probably shouldn't even be standing here. Let's get a rope and see if we can pull it over with the tractor. I got a better idea. I'm gonna try and push it over. Well, that didn't take very much. I guess that thing was on its way down. Sorry, probably yelling here. So check this out. This tree, man, it smells like a hamster cage, as you would expect. But look in here. Look at this. Metal in the middle. Man, that blade was toast before. It doesn't stand a chance now. I'm going to try and get this limbed up and cut it into sizable saw logs. I don't know. I don't have anything to sharpen a blade with, and that one's got to be junk. We'll see. Well, it looks like while I was in timeout, the log elves came and peeled my log for me. So, by log elves, I mean Jason and George. So they did a great job. Let's go ahead. I'm going to trim this thing up to where I think it should be, and then we're going to get it stood up in place, and I'll show you what we're doing with it. So what we're trying to do here is use this to stand up my bell, my dinner bell. It'll make a little more sense later on, but I'm going to put it over here next to the porch, right in there. That side is going to be on the ground, and then this here, I'm hoping to build a little platform that will sit on 3, if not all 4 of these branches that the brackets for the bell will mount to. It's my bell. Go for it.
Yes?
Take 3. Go ahead. That's my bell. Thanks, George.
Bye.
See ya.